تھا کہ اٹارنی جنرل صاحب کو آرگیو کرنے دیں, ہم آپ کو بعد میں سنیں گے.
اب آپ دکھائیے, آرڈر شیٹ دکھائیے.
جی دکھائیے. This is very unfair. I will not argue if you don't want to hear me, but don't put things which are factually incorrect.
ویسے اگر کوئی بات کر رہے تمیز سے کوئی حرج ہوتا ہے ویسے؟
نہیں سر, آپ اپنے اسلوب کو دیکھیے,
آپ اپنا
اسلوب کو دیکھیے, پھر آپ ہمارے متعلق بات کیجیے.
دیکھ لیتے ہیں.
آپ کا اپنا اسلوب ٹھیک نہیں ہے. خواجہ طارق رحیم صاحب نے اسی واسطے آ جانے سے انکار کر دیا کیونکہ your lordship was very unkind to him.
Please don't argue on behalf of those who are not present.
Sir, he is my colleague. He has instructed me to inform you this.
سن لیجئے, یہ سب ججز نے سائن کیا ہے. Mr. امتیاز راشد صدیقی representing the petitioner in constitution petition number 6 of 2023, who was partly heard on the last date of hearing, states that he does not want to add anything further and that his written submissions may be read.
کون سا آرڈر ہے؟
Thank you very much. Now please take your seat.
Mr. Zahid Ibrahim.
I must lodge my protest
Please
on your
take your
lordship.
seat before I issue something. Please take your seat.
Mr. Zahid Ibrahim, followed by Mr. Saladin.
It's as you wish. If you want to go last,
I'll go last.
as you wish. Everybody who comes, please introduce themselves. Who are they for?
I'm representing PMLQ.
Have you filed anything?
Yes, my lord, I filed